Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be making a kind of like viewing illusion motion thing in Scratch. So what we want to do is we're going to remove Scratch Cat. I feel like that's what everyone does when they start a Scratch project. And we're going to make this big background, and we're going to like make it overlap the kind of border. And this will come in handy later because um because we are going to we're going to make the background move, and so to make it big we'll make sure that there are no like white spots in our background. So I'm going to do like a little starry night kind of thing. So this is my background, and to make it pretty I'm going to add some stars. We need a nice yellow color. Alright, seems pretty good. And I'm just gonna make dots everywhere, even outside of the border, because the stars are gonna move too, eventually. So we're just gonna add stars randomly, kind of fill in any empty. We want a nice, beautiful, starry night. Just more, maybe. Yeah, this seems good. A couple more here. Yeah. Alright, that seems nice. That seems great. Okay. Maybe a couple more up here. It seems empty. Okay. Now it's time to get into why you clicked on this video. Coding. So when green flag is clicked, we want a forever loop, and we want to go to XY. For our operators, we want a multiplication one, and we want a sensing mouse X and the mouse Y. So we want mouse X times negative 0.7. I think that's good. And so basically it'll move opposite of where our mouse is, which will make it kind of look into that direction. And we can do the same thing with mouse Y, and my goodness, that's a bit too far. So I reckon we ought to make that number smaller with negative 0.07. That seems pretty good. It doesn't really look like it's moving though. So for visual representation, we'll add just a smiling guy. Just have him smiling. There. It's cute. So as you can see, where I move my mouse, he moves opposite slightly, which is really cool. Alright, that's pretty good. Now we delete him. Goodbye, little buddy. Sorry you didn't last. But yeah, we can go ahead and... Actually, that gave me an idea. What if I make this a little more cooler by adding a moon? Kind of croissant-shaped moon. Or like a banana-shaped moon. That's a kind of weird moon, but we'll roll with it. Okay, we've got our moon. Looking mediocre. And now we kind of can just duplicate this to Sprite 2. I kind of want the stars to move a little bit less, make it feel more alive, kind of. I don't know. But I think that looks pretty cool. So we've got this, but I kind of don't like how a couple stars overlap it. So it looks nice, but I think we should get rid of a couple of these stars. Okay. Alright, that one kind of goes in with it. Yep. Okay. Maybe this one too. Yep. Alright, that's good. None are overlapping with the moon, but now it looks kind of empty, so I'll just add a couple here. Fill in the empty space. And I think that looks pretty good. Okay, yeah. Alright, now click save now. Kind of done with this tutorial. This has been how to look around in Scratch. Alright guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more Scratch tutorials. Probably, or probably not. I do a lot of stuff on this channel. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.